This is the RFSSW, the ultimate white DJ event facade. Whether you're a professional or mobile DJ, planning an event, or setting up for a party, this facade is designed to make your setup quick, stylish, and professional. Inside the box, you get 4 sturdy connected panels, each measuring 19.5 inches by 44 inches. These panels are crafted with a foldable design, making setup and breakdown a breeze. No need to disconnect the hinges, just fold and go. Transporting your facade is hassle-free with the included carry bag. Pack up your panels, scrims, and accessories, and you're ready to hit the road. The bag is designed for easy transport and storage, so you'll never have to worry about space. Next, we have the stretchable white scrims that are not only easy to remove for cleaning, but they're also fire retardant. Simply wash by hand in cold water and lay flat to dry. Safety and convenience all in one. To apply the scrims, just simply stretch each one over the Velcro sides of the panels like this. On the bottom of the panels are adjustable non-slip rubber feet for extra stability. Whether you're on a smooth floor or a carpeted surface, your facade will stay firmly in place, letting you focus on your performance. Once you have your facade set up, you can rotate it in any position you like to best fit your setup or needs. And since this is a white scrimmed facade, you can pair this with any of our Rockville par, wash, or effect lights to illuminate your facade and get a super cool look. Let's quickly recap our features. 4 steel framed panels, each 19.5 inches wide by 44 inches high, included travel bag for easy transport, stretchable white lycra scrims that are fire retardant and easy to wash, foldable design for quick setup and breakdown, 360-degree rotating panels for versatile positioning, non-slip rubber feet for stability, and a total weight of 22 pounds for easy portability. So if you're looking for a portable, professional, and white DJ event facade for your next DJ event, party, show, or live performance, look no further than the RFSSW from Rockville.